Do you know that Perfect Touch Auto Glass Mobile Windshield Replacement can save you time and hassle? If you're in need of a windshield replacement, why go through the trouble of taking your vehicle to a shop when you can have it done on-site by Perfect Touch Auto Glass? With Perfect Touch Auto Glass Mobile Windshield Replacement Services, certified technicians will come to your location, whether it's your home, office, or even the side of the road. They'll bring all the necessary tools and equipment, ensuring a seamless and convenient process for you. Say goodbye to waiting and wasting time in a shop. Next time you need a windshield replacement, consider the convenience and efficiency of Perfect Touch Auto Glass Mobile Services. Your time is valuable, so why not opt for a service that prioritizes your convenience? So schedule your next windshield replacement with Perfect Touch Auto Glass. 804-466-4141.